this and I will remove all these things. This we don't need it. Okay, okay, fine. I need this. What I will do, I will just change this one. In place of video buttons, I will use checkboxes. Checkboxes. Right. So here, agenda, I will remove this one and I will do hobbies. Okay, hobbies. You will see this one, hobbies. And in place of input type, what we have to use? We have to use checkboxes. Checkbox. Okay. Next, we want to remove these things. We have to remove this. Here, we have to do the hobbies like playing cricket or playing. I will remove this one. Okay, same. I will copy this. So we copy all these things. Control C, Control V. Okay, I just change these things. In case of playing, I will use painting. Use painting. Painting. Then drawing. Then singing. Last one. Reading. Okay. So photo, file, save, forms. Got it right? See, we created the checkboxes now. Playing, painting, drawing, singing, reading. Okay, here a user can, one person can do more than, I can set more than one cat. This is how we're going to create the checkboxes. There's no any additional element you're going to use. If you use additional element means if you want to group, okay, you want to group means you can group here by saying the same thing like using the buttons name equal to the name. It is that group name you have to give there. The same group name you have to do in all these checkboxes. Right. Then here one person cannot be what select more than one data here. Right. This is how to create the checkboxes. So I hope this is clear. Checkboxes. If it is clear, we'll move to specialized. Okay. Check and other format you guys will see, right? I'll just remove this. I'll remove all these things. Right. So another format is like you're going to see the label. Right. I accept terms and conditions. You guys have seen, right? I accept this term, I accept the terms and conditions. There you will have a checkbox. There you're going to click that one, right? Close this label and use the input type. Same input type equals what checkbox name equals accept. Anything you can do here. Yeah, yes. So I'll just save this. Save. Go to this form, right? We got this right. So we have seen this these types of things forms, right? I accept the terms and conditions. Basically, you'll see while installing any of the softwares, right? I accept this terms and condition. We blank what we'll do. We'll just click here and we'll submit, right? Of giving the checkboxes. right? You can use like that, or you can use this. I accept the terms and condition, right? So checkbox like that we're going to see, right? So stop this.